your body, which is a great news. Now, let's look into results and reviews and testimonies. Reviews are very important, right? You shop, right, online. What do you read first? You read reviews. These are the reviews, and these are people who sent videos and testimonies to the company, and they said, hey, your device has helped my physical challenge, and this is what I am right now. All right. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, we'll answer your questions after my presentation. Okay. Now, Bell's palsy. Bell's palsy. Look at this. After 8 days of therapy, Bell's palsy, look at that, it got better. This shows that the terahertz and quantum technology, all right, activates healthy cells and removes unhealthy cells. So muscles and tissues are normalized. This lady, this is a video, all right? You can see her, she took a video of herself before and after, and this is just after 8 days of therapy, and it's wonderful. Alzheimer's disease, iTeracare can help calm the physical body. This lady, she was agitated, and after using it for just a few minutes, she started closing her eyes, all right? And she started to become relaxed, which is great, all right? Paralyzed, day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. Look at, you compare it. Look at the improvement. After 5 days, the leg that is dark, after 5 days, it becomes lighter. Lighter means more blood circulation. And this is paralyzed patient. And he started walking after 15 treatments. That is a wonderful improvement in 5 days, and he started walking after 15 treatments. Now, again, guys, this device does not cure your body. We don't claim that. This device helps your body heal itself, okay? This does not cure because it doesn't have the ability to cure, but it has the ability to resonate, work with your cells, so your cells and your body can achieve the health that you need, all right? Now, thyroid nodules and frozen shoulder, amazing. Look at that lady. After 10 therapies, the nodules, the goiter got shrunk, smaller after 10 therapies. And this guy here, his name is Mike, who was able to lift his hands 80% higher. He cannot raise his hand, all right? But after 15 minutes, he was able to raise his hand, and he gives a smile to all of us, and he is just amazed with the product. Now, this device is effective to help, treat skin diseases. We have like high level of psoriasis here. Look at the picture on your left. Well, look at this picture on your left, and you can see, all right, there after 2 months, the psoriasis just got better. Okay, look at this little girl here. He has also this extreme psoriasis, so much flakes on her skin. She could be bullied if she goes to school with this condition. But after 4 months of using the device, now her baby skin is back, all right? Now, 3 years of skin disorder got better after 4 days of therapy. And we have here vitiligo. Look at it, vitiligo, guys. After 5 months of therapy, vitiligo is just better, all right? A lot of wonderful things here. So if you have skin problems and skin challenges, use this device and you can see how wonderful it will work for you. Breast cancer. Now, she's not healed. She's not totally cured, but look at this. All right. After 22 days of therapy, 30% of the lump on her breast reduced and 90% of the pain was relieved. I mean, the pain. Just the pain, just focus on the pain. I mean, when you are in pain, it's not that easy. You know what I'm saying, right? All of us, we had pain for some reason, probably accident, injury, or disease or sickness. It's not good to be in pain. It's not good. We are not designed to be in pain for a long time. But this lady, after using it for 22 days, the pain was reduced to 90%. And today, I just asked them, she's getting better and better on a daily basis. That is a great news. Eye problem, all right? Red eye problem after 5 days, after 1 week. So it's good for any eye problem. You have cataract, glaucoma, try blowing this on your eyes and you can see how it can help your eyes. And if it can help you see better, why not? Try it, okay? And also kidney failure. This guy, his name is Jayasudha, 25th of August, This is the lab test. The creatinine level was 7.18. And after 2 months, it went down to 4.41. You know, he had 3 dialysis in a week, 3 times in a week. And on its first day, after 2 treatments, on his first day, he was able to urinate a little bit. And today, he can urinate 3 times a day. That is a great news, meaning the kidney is slowly getting back to its normal, all right, which is wonderful. Another kidney failure here. After 2 months of using the iTeracare device, creatinine level from 8.2, it went down to 2.8. Dialysis is 3 to 2 times a week. Now urination is increased, which is a great news, okay? Osteoporosis. This is a 93-year-old lady with severe osteoporosis. No, she can't move even an inch. And after 2 months of using the device, she's now doing track cycling, all right? And she's doing karaoke, she's singing, and she's better. She's 93 years old. Isn't that amazing? Now, why do you need to charge the water with the iTeracare device? This is the picture here. If you drink this type of water, you're right, that is exposed to the frequency, the terahertz, the water is more stable, all right? It can neutralize free radicals. You have to drink lots of this water. 2 glasses of warm water before the therapy and 2 glasses of warm water after the therapy. Why? Because the oxygen is higher. It restores the vitality of the water. And you know what? The molecular structure of this water is linear. It's very small, that is easily absorbed into your bodily cells. And look at the blood here. Blood structure with normal water, it's all clustered, it's all together, right? Less oxygen, it's not active, it's moving slow. But on the other side, all right, the structure, the blood structure is all separated. It's flowing fluidly and faster. There's more energy, there's more oxygen, which is amazing. So drink a lot of discharged water using the iTeracare device. Now, this is the equivalent. 1 hour of iTeracare therapy is equivalent to 10 times the acupuncture, 20 times of cupping, 30 times of gua sha, and 40 times massage. Whoa! If you're having massage every week or acupuncture, which can cost a lot for you in a month's time or in a year's time, guys, you gotta shift here. Use this iTeracare device, and this is the equivalent. And you will experience it yourself. If you haven't tried it, don't take my word for it. You gotta do it. You gotta experience it yourself. All right? Now, the benefits, I think I'm gonna end here. The benefits of heating the body. I call this the iTeracare heat. Once you heat the body using the device, all right, heating the body boosts immune system, all right? It increases metabolic activity in your cells, which is good for losing weight. It increases cellular oxygenation. It increases blood flow, all right? It metabolizes waste products in the body. That's why drink lots of water. It softens connective tissues, relaxes your muscle fibers, reduces joint stiffness, and this is a very powerful painkiller right over here. This device is a very powerful painkiller. Now, increasing the body's temperature to 1 Celsius, right? That's 33.8 Fahrenheit, can boost your immunity up to 5 times. All right. This is from a book, a science book from a doctor. I took that clip and placed it here. This heating your body, because this device has heat. When you heat your body, it boosts your immune system up to 5 times, which is a great news, right? Amazing. That's truly amazing. Now, we don't recommend this device for, ladies who are pregnant, for moms. Those who are menstruating, we don't recommend, because it might activate the baby. It's too much, the heat there. Okay. It's like we don't want pregnant women to have massage, right? Or acupuncture, right? So it's seemingly like that. And those who have congenital heart disease, don't blow it. All right. Particularly on the heart area, you can blow it on other parts of your body. And if you have objects implanted in your body, don't blow it there. You can blow it on other parts of the body. If you have pacemaker, don't blow it on the heart. You can blow it on your arms and legs, all right? Now, if you have, open wounds and fractured bones, don't blow it there, but you can blow it on other parts of your body. And don't take a bath. After using this device, you can take a bath after 4 hours. No electric fan blown directly to you or air conditioning blown directly to you, because your pores are open. All right. And those of you who are vaccinated, don't use this device. We don't recommend you use this after 1 week. Okay. Take a break. But again, there's nothing to worry. If in case you accidentally use this device after vaccination, nothing to worry. You're not going to have a severe, condition, or there is this contraindication, nothing at all. But for the company side, it's for safety. So nothing to worry. This device is totally safe. And again, with radiation test, this is a video, a person from Singapore took a video of this, and he said, and you can see it, it's zero radiation. We have the test report to show to you, certificate in conformity, all right, and compliance information that this device is safe and zero electromagnetic radiation. All right, it's very safe, non-ionizing. Now, how much, Nathan? The question is, how much? In US, it only costs $350 US. How many $350 US that you've spent that has helped your physical body? I think there's a lot already, right? Today, you're going to have the $350 again, and it's going to be an investment to your physical health, right? This is an investment. This is not an expense. Now, pricing, all right, depends on a country, all right? Depends on their tax and duties and so on and so forth. In the Philippines, it costs $368 US, all right? 18,400 pesos for SRP. All right, for the Pro, it costs 10 times. Why is the Pro cost 10 times? Again, the Pro is more robust. It has cooling effect. There's a lot of features. It is 1,200 watts. The Classics is only 800. And you cannot use the Classic for a longer period of time. You can use it more than 45 or 1 hour. It has an auto shut off to cool down. But the Pro, you can use it 1, 2, 3 hours straight, no problem. The Pro is used for hospitals, clinics, spas. It's a commercial device which you can use for a longer period of time. All right. So again, this is an investment to your physical health, which is great. So get one device right now and ask the person that invited you. Now for business, look at this. We are already in more than 20 countries. More than 23, including other regions, and we're expanding fast. We started last year, September. Personally, I started September 9th. All right. Now we are in many countries and we are growing well. So if you want to know more about the business, the global market is open. The product is amazing. We've got a great revolutionary product, and we've got a great business that comes with it. If you know more about the business, ask the person, and we have another Zoom meeting for business. Interested for business. Those of you who want to take this to the next level, you want to be a distributor, you want to be a state stockist or country stockist or branch, then talk to us and we can help you, partner with you so you can take this to the next level. Now, this is our goal. One iTeracare device per household, bringing life to every home. If you don't have a device, get one. Get one fast. Get one for yourself, for your children, for your parents, for your family, and give this as a great New Year's gift for your health. All right. Start living healthy, thinking healthy, feeling healthy. All right. Follow our Facebook page at Terahertz Therapy and Quantum Technology. You can message me there. All right. For more and more information. That is what you do. All right. The first step is you can follow this 10-step guide. And this device has 3 selectors here. We have the off, high speed, low heat, and the middle is low speed, low heat. And the third one is high speed, high heat. Now you will know that it's so easy to use. And again, get one for yourself. Ask the person that invited you. So thank you.